Xingya Synthetic Leather Company Limited is settled in Phase 3 Industrial Park in Jiangxi Province, which was invested and established by Wenzhou Volcano Foreign Trading Company Limited. It has the total fixed asset of 320 million RMB and a planned building area of 54,000 square meters, covering an area of 160 mu. It mainly provides synthetic leather products, which are widely applied in shoes, hats, bags, clothing, sofas, and other fields. The company has sold products to Middle East, Southeast Asia, South America, and other countries or regions. Its annual output reaches 1 billion RMB. Presently, it has 4 wet process production lines and 4 dry process production lines. Its daily output reaches 120,000 meters, but its defective rate is only 0.01%. The company speeds up its shipment as possible as it can. It can ship within 3 hours after an order is placed. The company has a large warehouse designed to provide strong logistic support for the shipment. The warehouse, with an area of 5 mu, is located in Longwan District, which is adjacent to many local leading industrial enterprises. It has advantageous geographical location as well as convenient traffic. In addition, its warehousing space is so abundant that it can hold 60,000 rolls of artificial leather. It has ever set a record of reaching the daily loading capacity of 12 high cabinets. The company has a sample room with more than 1,000 pieces sample, where the company regularly updates the latest and most popular leather samples each month to provide strong backstage support for customers. The company has rich exhibition resources and experience as it regularly attends large-scale leather exhibitions at home and abroad. Cumulatively, it has already attended more than 50 exhibitions, including those held in Italy, Brazil, Turkey, Iran, Egypt, Indonesia, India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Vietnam, etc. Presently, it has established long-term friendly cooperative relationships with more than 100 new high-quality customers. So far, the company has maintained long-term cooperation with more than 300 factories. Presently, it has 2 independent enterprises and more than 200 stable customers. It has become a VIP customer of world-class large ship companies Maersk, Costco, HPL. By virtue of its excellent quality, it has taken the lead in the market trend. Its products have been exported to all parts of the world, which have won the recognition and praise of customers. Looking back on the past and looking forward to the future, the company will continue to make great effort to provide customers with high-quality services, achieving win-win development with customers.